Hey, Rob Live with Shipa, and today we're going to be talking about innovation versus control. How do you balance the two? Well, with Shipa, we have this concept of frameworks. Frameworks are a logical grouping of all your rules that the application has to abide by. Now, here I have two particular frameworks. This one actually I just created with Terraform, but don't worry, you can create frameworks multiple ways, including the UI and also several different IAC providers. Let's actually dig into our framework and see what it is. Now, a framework is a common sense driven approach for applications. No matter if you're a DevOps engineer, a platform engineer, or a developer, hopefully this will make sense in terms of your application. So with creating a framework, basically, there's a couple steps. First, you'll define how much resources your application can consume. Second, who has access to this abstraction. A framework is a Shipa abstraction. Third, how many replica sets can your application scale to? Kind of fourth, if you have a specific set of registries that your images need to be pulled from, you can limit that here. One of my favorite features here is network policy setup. Actually, you can leverage Shipa to kind of define what comes in and what comes out of your application. So let's take a look at that right now. Let's say we have a portal-based application as our customer portal. So clearly we want to allow all the traffic inbound to the portal. But second, we only want this portal to talk to a certain application. Let's say we want this to only talk to a particular application that we have deployed with Shipa. Now I only have a couple of applications here, but let's say that our inbound application, we only want to talk to a deployed application on Shipa. That's very easily possible with a particular framework. Also, do you want to have a security scan for your particular application? Here we use Claire that we ship with. And that's basically an application framework in a nutshell. To deploy this framework is actually pretty straightforward. If you go back to the application, all you have to do is take a look at the particular application and look at a deployment object for that application. And you simply come here to the application, click deploy, and actually give another image. Or you can use a tool like ROCD to take care of that, which I've actually done here. Hope that was helpful for you helping define innovation versus control. You can be very flexible with these frameworks to make what's common sense for your organization. Until next time, cheers, Robbie.